Hi, this is Dr. Thomas Burnett. I'm the regenerative medicine specialist here at Regeneration, Pittsburgh. Today we're talking with Frank. Frank, thanks for offering to talk about the procedure you had, and welcome.
You're welcome.
So I've known Frank for a little over 2 years, and I met you, like I said, 2 years ago, and you come to me with severe left shoulder pain. Actually was recommended a shoulder replacement, and we're trying to review all the different options we had. And the goals were to, 1, prevent a shoulder replacement, 2, return to swimming, and 3, maybe the biggest one, to get you a good night's sleep without waking up from the pain. So it's been 2 years. Can you tell me a little bit how the procedure went and how you're feeling?
The procedure was fast and very easy, almost painless and effective. That night, I was able to sleep through the night for the first time in 6 years. I'm able to resume swimming. I'm very happy about that. And I'm also able to do overhead work with my left shoulder.
So you answered 2 of the questions already too. So the sleep through the night, that was a plus, and then the back to swimming. I guess the big one is still left answered is have you had a shoulder replacement since then?
I have not.
That's good. Last question too is, and I know the answer because we just did another procedure with the stem cell. Would you recommend this procedure to somebody else going through the similar symptoms that you had?
Absolutely, and the reason is it works.
That's great. Simple. Thanks again for your time, Frank. All right.
Thank you for your help.